sometimes when you're working by yourself, there's a little trick you can do. So check this out. I need to get that middle edge flush, so it's kind of still bent here. So I'm just saying, if I'm working by myself, I don't have somebody to help me pull it open, right? So I need to get this edge flush with this edge. So I need to be able to use one hand to shoot the framing nailer, and I have to have one hand to pull it. But if I don't have enough leverage with one hand, like I can't do that without using two hands. So what do? I gotta pull this out to nail it. So, more advanced technique, I pull back on the trigger. Now I'm not recommending you do this so you're very familiar with the framing nailer. Pull back on the trigger, find the area that's the most out right now, hold it just a few inches away, and shoot a nail in. Okay, now I have leverage from which to pull that board flush. See, because then I can pulling the hammer flush with that, then I can come back in here and I can nail it. One more spot. I got it flush, then I can just pull this nail out. Just work it out.